Hello, I'm Sherry. Welcome to my channel. So, okay, this lady named Robin, her channel's named Robin's Channel, ROBYNS. She does a lot of these unboxings and unbaggings, whatever you want to call it. She gets a lot of subscription boxes. I just love watching her do her unboxings. Let me see here. I'm watching for Carmen. He should be coming home here soon. So anyways, she sent me a few things and I just wanted to share what she sent me. Anyway, she sent me these little makeup brushes. 4 of them. Look how cute they are. It's a nice fluffy brush. They're just so pretty and they're so soft. Look at this cool brush. I don't have a brush quite like this. I have one kind of like this, but these are I'm a brush person. I just love brushes. So I'm really excited about using these brushes she sent me. And they have a nice handle. I'm not sure what the brand is called. I just cannot figure that out. It looks like it says The Color. See, DACOLOR. Is that a D or is that an A? I don't know. Maybe you can help me figure that out. Or Robin, if you're watching this, you can let us know in the comments. She sent me this pretty little, this cool little mask. It's a Unicorn Glow hologram mask. I love masks, so I'll probably be using this tonight or tomorrow night. And she sent me Gold Baden MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tones Daily Moisturizer. This little lip thing here by Pixi by Petra. This really super pretty shadow. It's in this little box here. This little box here. I'm not sure where she got this one, but it's a Velveteen Dream Shadow. Got something like it in my BoxyCharm, so maybe that's where she got hers. But INM with a little heart and a little hashtag. And look at that shadow. Is that not just so pretty? Ooh. But yeah, that's what she sent me. And I want to do my makeup today. I haven't been playing with makeup this week. Last time I played with makeup was... It's been a while. So yeah, I think I went to do my eyebrows, which I did. And then I ended up having to get supper started, which I did. And now I'm back, which I am. Mind the big bushy brows. They're gonna look crazy until I get some makeup on. But I had a lot of trouble with them. I used soap this time. I just used this whole clear soap. I don't even know where I got it, but it's a bad soap brow day, okay? They look crazy, but crazy is what I like. So, this is another little sample I got in Sephora. Tatcha, the silk canvas. And it's a little bit, I have a big one, but it's back in the room. I barely used any. I just wanted to use some of this today. It's because I'm a little more shiny than I want to be. Good to mix it up and use products that you have. I had this for a while and I'm so sick of like
all these new big makeup releases and stuff. I'm just like irritated by, like, especially the ABH. And they're just sharp, like I already talked about that last time. I probably most likely won't be buying their Norvina palette collections just because it's just too much for me.
Because remember, makeup expires. These are my favorite concealers. It's the Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer. This is in 1 and this is in 2. I like the 2. It's more my skin tone. Then this is a little more bright, so this could go in here and this could go everywhere else. And now I'm just gonna go in with this. Hi, Bubs. Look. Oh, and put him makeup on him. Pretty little face. Oh, hi. Did you sleep good? Did you sleep good, Yaya? Oh, thank you. Oh, you're so nice. Daddy, too? Go, he said. This concealer, I like to, let's start out under the eyes here. I don't want to do a bunch of makeup. I just want to like cover up some of this redness and just like an easy look that I can go out in and it doesn't really look like I'm wearing too much makeup. Like an everyday look, right? And this stuff, you don't have to worry about like blending it out right away because it's like a hydrating concealer and I love it. It's my favorite. If anyone asks me what my favorite concealer is, this would be number 1. I could just use it all over my face. I just love it. I know this looks hella crazy, but whatever. I like blending out lightly with a sponge, or you could actually use, you know, a brush. Let me see if I have a brush here. You could even use your finger. Use your finger. Make sure your hands are clean. I know it looks like a lot, but just wait till it's blended out. You'll see why I love this concealer. Take a little sponge. So I pretty much use this as foundation. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk right. Sorry, I'm just like all trying to cook, trying to tend to Carmen, trying to get my Kevin to do his homework, trying to cook for my honey before he goes to work. Another favorite of mine is this Laniege Lip Glowy Balm, and I have it in berry. This stuff, if you gotta drop stuff, of course, but you got dry lips, use some of this stuff. I tell you, it is so good. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of my powder. Yeah, actually hit pan on that bad boy. Sure, you have no creases. My Kevin has been having an awful time in school. I just don't understand. Every single day I get a call from his teacher. It's just been so rough. He's been acting out in school. And I think it's all because of math. He don't understand the math they're doing. They move so dang fast in that class. And it's not just my son struggling, but it's like every time I see her, it's like, your son, your son, your son, your son, your son, your son, your son. It's like, damn, that's my son, dude. Like, let's figure out something to do that can help him versus you just pointing him out as a bad kid. Like, I feel like my kid's getting labeled as a bad kid. He's not a freaking bad kid. He's a really good kid, actually. Okay, I set my face and I forgot, you know, I didn't use this. But normally I would use this, you know, around. You guys see me use this a lot. This is the Milk Makeup Bronzer in Baked. One of my favorites. So what I would do is use that, and then I would go over it with another one of my favorites, which is this Pretty Vulgar Bronze Mannikin. Looks like that. One of my favorites, I tell you. This is such a good bronzer. Kind of press it where I want it at first. I grabbed too much, so of course I did. I kind of start a little high and then I bring it down some. And bring it up along your forehead. I grabbed a lot. Well, I only had to dip in there once. It just gives you, you know, new definition, whatever. Go with the smaller one here. You could start slow right here. I just kind of want to get a little shade at the tip here. You see the illusion that makes? Makes it look like my nose is slimmer. Like I said, it's all an illusion. And trust the process. You know, you're not just gonna one swipe and your nose is gonna be contoured. No. I like to bring this into my brow here. Let's go in with the powder again with this clean brush, and let's get the sides of this nose. Just gotta play with your makeup, figure out different ways and techniques that'll work for you. It's just a process, the whole thing. Just do whatever you feel like doing. So then let's try this big fluffy brush that I have here. Put some of that bronzer on her. And let's just put some in the crease and see how this brush works. These brushes work really nice. Look at those. Oh, you silly. Oh my goodness, you're funny. Funniest bunny. Carmen the bunny. Hi. Hi. Bo kisses. Artist Couture highlighter, which is so messy. So that's it. I just want to say thank you, Robin. Go check her out. She's really a sweet woman. I really appreciate her. I'm a fan of her channel. I wish I could get that much subscription boxes. She gets a lot. A lot of subscription boxes. But yeah. I'm done. Let's be done. This is a quick, you know, when I'm in a hurry, getting ready to go, whatever, if I can put a face on. This is my favorite kind of makeup. Bushy brows. Actually, I'd like to have a dramatic eye, but I didn't have time for that. But I really want to play with this, like with just it. So hopefully next video I'll be able to just play with everything in here. I just think it's such a beautiful palette. Yeah, I just wanted to shout out Robin and try the brushes that she gave me. So that was it. This is my quick, easy, get ready makeup. Hope you guys are having a good week. I guess that's it. God bless. Thank you for coming by my channel and visiting, and I hope to see you soon. Running around in circles here once again. Bye. I'm done, but I forgot to try this on. This is that Pixi lip thing that she gave me, or that was in there. I wanted to try it on. Like really minty. Almost reminds me of like the Vicks, you know, like the Vicks you put on your kid's chest. Like I can smell it. I can taste it. Kind of cool. I like it. So yeah, thank you so much, Robin, and hope to see you soon. Bye.